Okay, it's connected to the inverter. All is connected to the inverter. This scale is connected to signal function generator, which is this, and this wow, tuned microwave box. Okay, this is the largest unit that I have ever built. It's unfinished. Okay, with this huge battery. Okay. It's connected, the consume is nothing. Okay. And this light bulb of 1 kilowatt, I won't connect directly to the device because it will melt with crystal, with everything. You will see with your own eyes. Wow. The most largest unit I have ever built. Whoa! 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 Wow! This is at least 1 megawatt. You see how the metal is melting? You see how the metal is melting? Wow. Disconnect here. I didn't focus the wow. I didn't focus the power consumed, but the power consumed is, I don't mind the power consumed. This half melt. Have melt the metal. This is wow. This is a microwave, a tuned microwave power. Okay, this is a can of iron. Oof. Convinced now?